Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Novio, migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Ao blo, ao blo, ao blo. Ao blo, ao blo, ao blo. Migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba ao bloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dalaya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dalaya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanuba ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba ao bloe. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo ao blo, ao blo, ao blo ao blo, ao blo, ao blo Migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo Jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dalaya suraka. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya 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 dalaya suraka. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Novio migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo.
Glorio.
Oh.
Miawezon.
Yo, minha zolango.
Marakumia nkonya sama.
Minha unkosam.
Okay. Asiana radio. Mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Miawezon. Mi yomu. Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria. Mi ekpo mi anovia ro ha le Côte d'Ivoire. Mashama miawezon. America, Canada, Amshama Miva Srɔ Eʋegbe. Egba miega van moji via agajaka mia degbe le klemsosron vuvu ameyo le moji fie nye mi omega Dr. Enyo Attorney Cyrus Senyo elafia Daa Naami elafia nyento hamaro makbaro tami kata mi ƒoƒoƒo be miagahe miadegbe ƒe nuvanye nyerego akpɔ afia eʋedukɔ ke miame yiwo le gbedzi miaviwo megba sem o hã miado ŋusẽ ne wonye gbea ƒe vevie nyenye kple nuvava yi ke wonye alebe wotso ɖe le me yi tae miegava ɖo ta miate ɖe ŋu ke hafi miage ɖe gbɔ miaƒe moderator Dr. Enyo agana miagage ɖe me zi ɖeka kple Siana ƒe bubludodo labe Siana le megbe ne miaƒe wɔna yiwo katã eƒe yame hã Siana le Washington ta ne meŋlɔ ŋkɔ haɖe kɔ naƒudu nava ŋlɔ ŋkɔ alebe miate ɖe ŋu eƒe yava yia mienɔ Texas Dallas menye nyavi wonye dzɔfimɔ ta eye miegayina Washington fia ko yi hã nya bubu nyam ale miade dzo mɔ nyo ke Dr. Enyo akplɔ miage ɖe me zi ɖeka hafi miava ge ɖe ƒe dzinuwo gbɔ.
Hello, on behalf of CEANA, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to CEANA 2026 convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that CEANA 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, CEANA has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Ewe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that CEANA is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build CEANA 2026. Join us to make history. CEANA 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.CEANA2026.org for more information. See you there.
CEANA 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
CEANA 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Akbar. Minha raison. Eu vou ser minha raison. Daa Naami. Minha raison. Minha engineer Gahanya moderator, chief moderator. Dr. Enyo Wela Doji. Kagba minha terapa jinu. Alo paglatio. Minha bora apa siapa ma jinu. Oma wie vile Eʋegbe alo Eʋuwo tɔme ke míava wɔ oma wie tɔe le mía si míewɔ nu ya menye ha ya nye zi gbãtɔ mie nusɔsrɔ̃ ya wɔm o míewɔ ɖewo va yi tsã ɖoko míega edzi tom alabe na ame aɖe mekpo ɖo ava kpo ɖe ta ƒedzinu oma wie etɔ̃ ye le ʋe le tiwo me tiɔ eyo nye wɔme wie etɔ̃ míegbɔna woƒe ŋkɔwo xlẽ ge gake hafi ma yi dzia madzi be efo Cyrus nagblẽ ɖe Yevuwo ƒe gbea me alebe Daa naɖi ɖe Franciwo ƒe gbea me hafi míagayi dzi. Akpe na mi.
Akpe na mi. So what our mother is saying is that today we're coming to learn about the months of the year in Ewe. So in English, we have 12 months, but in Ewe we have 13. So we're going to learn about them. The Ewe months are based on the seasons. And these seasons is what pertains in Ewe land. Ewe land being Southeast Ghana, Volta region, being Togo, Benin. So it may not necessarily be based on the weather that we have in America, but it's going to be based on the weather or the seasons that as we have it in Ewe land. Thank you.
Akbar. Daniel. Okay, but technical part biara bafma. Da mia yiji. Ai mia ba mia gara for letiuma. Le Yevuwo ƒe gbemalo. English gbema. Míegblɔna be January yi ke nye dzove le ʋe me. Dzove. Ika jo hit no nanyi alo jojo ore to be no ka jogbogbo no kama. Ita oguna ba jogbogbo va. Ita oyoni ba jova. Imamye dare no ajile mi apachichi na afi. Inya jova. Ka joja. Inya February ka mamie lafia. Inya pajinu avalia. Ta pajinu gbanto jova. Ei pajinu valia nyanka joja. Ika piabanuka jogbogbo alo juma adicha eva jemi ejemi ta juma na va are yo ajuro jagbe muna lejo avayi ita ogbona ba joja jova hojo yoku gbemumu katan funa ayo funa nama ke jo kero mako avazu joja ke fajinu atolia inya tadohe amaya odrado to that agla dalo to jugba ovo ye odanato na tadodo adote ate mi runa o vivi na mi tota fufu o plage de chiroyi na nyento ke tadohe aroji iha yenyama ta maga torafia na funyana ga iji sharaka.
Okay, so like we said today, we're learning about the month of the year, in Ewe.
Yema, me somto.
Yeah. So in Ewe, we have 13 months, unlike in English, where we have 12. So it's based on the season. And the first month, January in Ewe, is Jove. Okay, it means that the heat has come. So unlike in America, where January we have cold weather, that's like winter, in our land, January, Jove is hot. The second month, Joje, which is February, fire has visited grass. So that's the time that bushfire can be rampant. So that can be compared to our summer here. The third month, March, is Tedohi, meaning is yam hole is filled. That's the time that they prepare the soil for yam. April is Afofia, meaning the feet is bent. May, Dame, Dame, meaning the month of the moon. In June, in Ewe, we call it Masa, meaning the month of the moon. So Dame is the month of the moon, which is May. June, also Masa, the month of the moon. Then in July is Siam Long. So that Siam Long means drying and collecting. So it means that it rains a lot in July. So you go and dry your things, you have to take it, because back home they don't have washing machine. Or like in our land, when our ancestors were coming up with the season, there was no washing machine. So you dry your things for the sun to dry it. Like your clothes, you dry it. So you dry your clothes because it's going to be raining on and off. You dry it, then you have to go and pick it up. Then when the rain stop, you dry it again. So Siam Long means drying and collecting. That means in that month it rains a lot. It rains and stop. Then in August is Dasiamime. Put your hand in oil. That's how we call it in Ewe. Dasiamime, August. In September is Anyonyo, meaning it is drizzling. So now it's like the lean season. The major season is June, July, where it rains a lot. But in September, it drizzles. So lean season. And in October, we have Kale, meaning the rain season. So September, October is the lean season. The rainy season will end Kale. November, Dasiamime. November, Adame Pohe, November, meaning the hunter cannot see the bird. And the last one, December, meaning Jome, clear the land. Akbenami, da, Vero Ataiji.
Okay. Yeah, akpa. Abale ka mia foglina mia tora taduhe ala ba taduhe yenyem ala bodu afima mia toro kamia ruku afofie yenya fajinu analia ma ye ogrona ba jugbogbo le khama na ayina na tore gbajivie taoba afofie dame yenya gblede yan ye o dagble amayi me miapo nukuwo kata o dona ke nududu tutun vivi masa afia ba pojinu ajeji pojinu ma yime amayi ko ayi egbeawo pojovema jojeva otojui va dote nuko afofie o va gan nuko me nuko mo kata wo enya mieva ro masama ke mieva July kenya shamlom abale ke mia novia gble ya na yivie echijana anyo gidi agato vie ndokutu na vie ke gagajo ke chiagava gbafie mare yo manya chinto ha ta na nyame la nuenya sha ha se na foga kaji na galesa ayama gapo yama gafuga kaka na troko chi maga gbona na gawa remember shamlom emaha avai ke dasia mima ke over na dashi ami nyamanya nukate marung kujiba mia gami ajigarela nyama tutru garama but dasha mima lekete nkoma vaha rasa fifia nyama kpugo madada nigo pie alako yaka rokoba na dashi ami joju dikaba ite pa nyagbomo la fiala ba awon ba ju gbogbo ha rojo oba fafa ha ro baba ta maima mia de la Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Côte d'Ivoire fana maga gbojo kekeke na tana la mia pa fiu na be apa sa vivinia mayo mulaba na ya pa rofan anamro amuamorugo vivina ta iha yenya mai le yevu fa gbema over August amayo rabo bi ha mi amayo chokuta yo dabo bi chama abobi te bobi dachi rodo na oleyo aloni pai kalami na cheto gbamatadi o fifia bosra mai modo na nyama ke pashikia maenya nyonyo ye mi Siana la America ala pajino mashikia ma anyonyo September alaba pe amato acho anyonyo pankakatonlia basara adralia na mo platikita harako jagba na ngulunko September anyonyo anyonyo amaima over na ovie bagbafie moto biko manye chisasan jano ahun o itowi ba nyonyoro ta iha kemie va pojino ashikia mema nemie jof mamie ikele kele bli amata wona bada mabli no yake iha nududu gagbo na vie la ba nyonyo ple dasia mi mapo di o ga wonku ta yenye kele roku makpo chi abada ma nuku ono iha ga wona vie kemie ga kpo ma ha kemie jola fma kemie ya da makpo efia ba maya gbemelão kple xeviwo ga dona elabe edzugbɔgbɔ ga tɔtrɔ ta eni adelɔ wo teŋkpɔ woƒe leke megblɔ exe kple tɔwo emayiwo wo teŋkpɔ nuwo tɔgbi elabe xexea me ga tɔtrɔ vivi ta adamekpɔ xe yi hã ye adelɔ kpɔ xemɔ danawo kple tɔmɔ yi hã ye ma ke míegage ɖe dzo me yi ke nye December ƒe dzinu 12 ya ƒe dzinu 12 ye le Yevugbe me afi ma ƒe dzinuwo tɔ ɖo gake le ʋe mea metɔ ɖe afi ma o. Míegayi dzi kple ƒoave elabe mayi ko míegadze enuŋɔŋlɔ ne míada agble gɔme ta 13 nye ƒoave le ʋegbe me le ƒe dzinu 13 ƒoave mebiabia ge ne míewɔ vɔ ta menya be avia eha aɖe li le nu ya ŋu ne míewɔ vɔ madze agbagba na ame aɖe nye ke ne wɔ dzi na mí fa gake ne ame ke menye megɔmedze ge na afi mewu nu ɖɔ mía katã míayi dzi míawu nu akpe hã mía agayi dzi míesrɔ̃ ƒe dzinu dzove dzodze tedohe afɔfie dame masa lɔm dasiamime anyonyo ele adamekpɔhe dzome ƒoave yiwo míesrɔ̃woe nye ma ta ne míaƒe moderator kple engineer le nuwo godo ke agatutu mi ɖe ŋgɔgbe zi ɖeka ne míagayi dzi ne míegbɔ biabiawo le mía si aha dzi ƒe dzinuwo ƒe le nuwo le ʋe me mía ame yiwo ke tso Ghana, Togo, Nigeria, Benin, Canada, America eye míedona ʋegbe míeɖu zekɔ miaƒe nyawoe nye ya míanya ƒe dzinu yiwo le mía si kple nu yiwo míewɔna le dzinuawo me numawo me dzro míele gba ta ne mebia dzove ɖe nu ke míewɔna ko nakɔe vɛ okay honorable
Awo mi gblẽ na bosanu be awo vlo nɔviwo mi gblẽ na satana be awo vlo nɔviwo mi gblẽ na bosanu be awo vlo nɔviwo mi gblẽ na satana be awo vlo 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 mi gblẽ na bosanu be awo vlo nɔviwo mi gblẽ na satana be awo vlo awo dzokatɔ dzodzo nyanyanya ɖela Yesu ɖe gbe dzokatɔ dzodzo nyanyanya dzokatɔ dzodzo nyanyanya ɖela Yesu ɖe gbe dzokatɔ dzodzo nyanyanya Awo migrena bosanu ba awo flo novio migrena satana ba awo flo awo migrena bosanu ba awo flo novio migrena satana ba awo flo 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 migrena bosanu ba awo flo novio migrena satana ba awo flo Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba Jokato jojo nya 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 Ajato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba Jokato jojo nya 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 Ao migrena bosanu ba ao flo novio migrena satana ba ao flo novio migrena bosanu ba ao flo novio migrena satana ba ao flo
Akpe mi gagbo. Attorney Cyrus, like him.
Akpe wele doji. Sister Yova wako français to anami. Samuel Akabia.
Sanyo matotomre miango ani afura vie.
Okay.
Ya palama ni womniuta.
Okay. So, like we said, today we are discussing the months of the year in Ewe. So, one unique characteristics of the month in Ewe is that it's based on the seasons, and which is peculiar or unique to Ewe land. And Ewe land, we're talking about Southeast Ghana, which is the Volta region. We're also talking about Togo, most of southern Togo. Then talking about southern Benin into Nigeria, southwest Nigeria. So our ancestors studied the weather and the things that happened, and that's how come they came out with the months. And they were able to get 13 of them. So the last time when I was talking, I ended at Jome, which is December, but actually there is a 13th one, which is Huave. Huave is that's the time that they clear the land in preparation for the farming season. So that's Huave. Huave. They clear the land. So that's the season that we have in every land. And if you live in North America, you will see that it's not necessarily based on the seasons that we have. For instance, we know that January is winter, but in Everland, it's not like that. January rather is hot. Okay, that is a heat has come, so their heat comes. So that weather is kind of like a weather in the like in the southern hemisphere, where like in South Africa, when their winter is in June, July, and their summer is January. So when it's summer in the northern hemisphere, then it's winter in South Africa. And right now, we are in winter in the northern hemisphere, but South Africa, they having their summer. So the weather in our land, it's similar to what happens in the southern hemisphere. In the case that we see that in July, it rains a lot, and that cools the weather. In June, it rains. Then in August, it says put your hand in oil. That's when the weather becomes cool, very cool. So that's the weather that, or the seasons that we have in Everland, that our ancestors were able to divide them into the month, and they were able to get 13 as a result. Thank you. I will hand it over to Auntie Vero to continue the show.
Yeah, akpe. I thank you so much. I think Dasha Mima Akpopa Nagbla the law Dagla. ye to podalongo yitoji. Kamai kondoni hata dodo. Aglemanukuo hava. Wamai ko nkoko ba apollo. Akpoba imia de habobo ha mayo no zarumi. Ko kamai amashama dashama amashama fashi for me. Yeah. Ta numa time ya togyo cho dasha mi dara fimaro. Ala ba mai godo ndon hava bli ye hado ploku do oyo neba ploku devio miama yo machira po no ba ploku is new corn ploku do oda na ni pachin ndon bava mo mai ko na wo fie chin viara ko abo akpunana eta onya dasha mi maro ta nama mia jakane jigere ga kani mata kena reni ala togbi ko una nwenye ya ta obe kwa tamia pa amana mare ganyere mobu bware nwana nwere gbasama na mi fa mia oni alo doctor la no go the doctor leke o ha ponu bu bware la nwa dasha mi ma.
Okay, so our Ewe teacher is trying to explain why in August the Ewes look at the season and name it Diasiamime, which is put hand in oil. And the philosophy behind that is that June, July is the rainy season, so the crops do well, just like in the summer here. The crops do well because it's raining, the heat is there, photosynthesis take place, so everything is green, and with that greenery comes yield of crops. Then around that time also, the fishermen are able to come out with bumper harvest. They go there and they cast their net, and the net is full. They will catch the anchovies, they will catch amai, sardine, all sort of tuna, and the women will be busy frying those fishes and the crops that they get from the farm. So people are happy, so that's the time that food is in abundance,
And they get married too.
Yeah, so it's a time of merrymaking, and they marry, and they are able to have a joyful life because food is in abundance. So that's the explanation that she gave why August is called Dasiamime. So I believe August is a month in Eweland back in the days that they look forward to. After a heavy rain, now the crops are producing yield. So food is in abundance, and they have to store some of those food for the lean season, where it will not be as abundant as it is. Yeah, so I will hand it over if Dr. Wanyo want to add something to the philosophy behind Eve's naming August as Dacia Mime. Yeah, he's welcome to do so. And if our sister, okay, Sister Enyo, I can see you. So you are back. We want you to explain the months of the year in Francais, in French for us. We've been explaining it in Ewe, and we've been explaining it in English. So take us through the month of the year in French so that our Francophone brothers and sisters will be able to understand. Thank you.
Okay. Mother Taflache, I've been having a little trouble, technical difficulties. So sorry about that.
Emeko.
Okay. Comme on vient de le dire, aujourd'hui, nous voulons étudier les mois dans l'année. En effet, on nous a appris que nous avons 13 mois. Mais en français, les Français et les Anglais, je crois, les saxophones, ils ont 12 mois. So, be nyamnya na mi phone fo chongo be evia o na nyanya be jini wie ton ele mi asi.
Yeah,
Eboa le yofo gbo ajini wie veli. Ma so mi phone fo chonchi do ko enye mo no kamota nyemesio. Okay. Ye magblo French. Okay, ye magblo donc on va y ma. Donc comme on vient de le dire, nous avons 13 mois en éveil. Et les Anglais, les Français, les Allemands, eux tous, ils ont 12 mois. Donc, le premier mois, Jove, c'est, disons, janvier. Janvier, février, mars. Jove, Joje, Tedoche. Janvier, février, mars. Jove, Joje, Tedoche. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, Jove, Joje, Tedoche, Afofien, Dame, Massa. And then janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août. Jove, Joje, Tedoche, Afofien, Dame, Massa, Siam Lom, Yam Lom, and then Dacia Mime. Donc, je crois qu'on est sur le mois d'août. Donc, je remets le micro au précédent. Merci. Alors, comment est-ce que Auguste dit à Balé, Magara Kamamasene?
Yeah, mie to afima doka ni ko mie ba no gbogblom la August anwa ala ba mia patanya gba enya pajinu kple nu yo yina dzi le wo me.
Okay.
Ta mie pajinuawo srom mie ga nu yo jona le jinuawo me. Abe ne mie ko jove abe January yenye jove. Alors, ne mie koe menye janvier le français ma.
Yes.
Ne mie koe mi ba jogbogbo de no na keka ma. Jogbogbo ma me nkawe no na nyi jigera jogbogbo ma hele keka ma ta agble nuwɔna aɖewo menɔ dzi o. Ke boŋua egbeƒoƒo kple tɔmawoe nɔ dzi. Ke le dzodze yi ke nye febia enye febma ye wova da dzogbeme alo dzodze ni edzo dzena gbe ko anyhow ko yiha vana ale maɖe va nɔ ezi ko kɔƒu gbe ɖe afi aɖe alo maɖe kpe dzo siga ko kɔƒu gbe ɖe afi aɖe alo aɖe yɔ dzoxi eya kɔ dzoxi hã va da ko dzodzenuwo ta yenye dzodze. Ke ema yomea míegava yina tedoxe yi ema yi wodoa te alo wobe etedoa wodoa wova xe na wo alebe no do bubu. Emɔ katã wova wɔna le anyɔnyɔ me, yi ke nye Augusta. Afi ma ye numo katã va harvest na le. Ta kpɔ be azãwo va nɔna afi eƒe dzinu asike henya nyɔnyɔ. Azã geɖe gena ɖe afi ma de asi ami me kple anyɔnyɔ. Yewo ɖuna azã geɖe le. Ta nu ma mienɔ dzakadzaka mi ma. Miekpɔ be afɔfie ɖe. Nke dzɔ wobe afɔfie. Na ame aɖe nya nu tso ŋua ne ŋlɔe ɖe gbasa me na mi faa. Mia ate ɖe ŋu miakpɔ. Mienya be dame ema ya etsi gã dzana ne nukuwo na wɔ na mi ya agbledelawo ƒe nukuwo hã kpɔ tsi. Ne ya yi ƒea mewɔ nyuie na mi o. Xexea me metrɔ ɖe edzi etsia dza o kɔ edɔ to ƒe ma me. Ta numɔ ko mie dzakadzakam. Mienya be eƒe dzinuwo me 13 le ʋe me. Ne tso ʋe ƒe nu ya kɔa. Alebe Attorney Cyrus de egɔme na mi be le teƒe vovovowo to vovo le kpɔɖeme ne yi South Africa kple míagbɔ fia etsikpe ya dzana le míagbɔ edzana le wo gbɔ gake ya yi wotɔ dzana menye ema yi míatɔ dzana. Ya yi míatɔ dzana menye yewo dzana le wo hã wo gbɔ. Ɖoko labe míawo kple Canadians alo Canada-tɔwo edzana le mi katã míagbɔ zi ɖeka ɖe aduadu. Gake South Africa tɔwo tɔ eva dzana le June me. Meɖeku ne nyemeyi New York correct afi ma. Ta míaƒe eʋenyigba le míade ne eʋe Ghana me. Ema yi ma ye nye masa, ye nye dame, ye nye siamlɔ le míagbɔ. Gake afi ma ema yi me le South Africa ye wokpɔna woƒe tsikpe alo snow ya ke míegblɔna. Ta wotɔ eto vovo. Ta míegblɔm be ƒe dzinuwo le aleka gake mía tɔgbuiwo koe ɖe míaƒe dekɔnu kple nu yiwo dzɔna le ƒe dzinuawo me ŋu. Yi ŋu koe ɖo. Ta míekɔe dzove, dzodze, tedohe, fia afɔfie, dame, masa, siamlɔm, de asi ami me, anyɔnyɔ, kele, adamekpɔxe, dzome, nuka hã dzome kple nuka ƒoave. Ta menya be ha ɖe le ŋu. Dzove, dzodze, tedohe, afɔfie, dame, masa, siamlɔm, de asi ami me, anyɔnyɔ, kele, adamekpɔxe, dzome, ƒoave. Ne ame aɖe nyi vovoa ata fia mi hã akpe. Míagate ɖe ŋu ɖeka. Míayo Attorney Cyrus na ko ɖe akpi na mi kɔ moderator na ana mi interlude ɖeka after that.
We thank Auntie Vero so much for the beautiful music that was composed to talk about the months that we have in Ewe. We thank our sister for also explaining the months of the year in French for us. So, as we can see, the months of the year in Ewe is based purely on the experiences of the people. Okay, what happens is based on the weather, it's based on the season. So that's how they name it. And based on that, they have 13 months. because they realize that the seasons change. Okay, in December, that's when they start preparing their land. Then they name it Jome because it's hot. They start preparing the land. Then after that, for Ave, it's like that one is hanging in there. Then come January, the heat is still there. February, the heat is still there. Then in March, things begin to change a little bit, and they start preparing to plant the yam, but it's still hot. In April, it's hot. Okay. March is Dame in Ewe. June, that's when the rain comes. Then in July, that's the peak season for the rain. It can rain every day. It rain in the morning, it stop. Rain in the afternoon, stop. Rain. So it's like it's unpredictable. So they say siam long. So you dry something and you go and take it back and dry it again. So you dry me, take me, dry me, take me. It's going to be on and off. Then with the heavy rain in August will come bumper harvest. The fishermen will be able to catch a lot of fishes. The farmers will be able to have good yield. So you go to every house, they are frying things. That's in there. Put your hand in oil. So everybody is eating something. And like our mother said, that's the time that festivals also do occur, marriages do occur. So those are the festive seasons. Enyo. So I thought Siana also thought it wise that our festival should be in September, just to mimic the celebration in Everland. So if you realize, Siana is always in September, Labor Day, holiday. Okay, start from sometimes it will be the end of August, but most times it's beginning of September, the first week. And this year is going to be the same thing. We're going to be going to Bethesda in Maryland to celebrate Siana. So in October, in Ewe is Kele. November, Adamepohe. December, Jume. So really, if you look at it very well, our ancestors are very brilliant. For somebody to be able, at that time, to be able to just sit down and study the weather and come out with this, don't forget that this thing was in place before the Europeans came to us. So before the Europeans came with their calendar, our people have their own calendar. Is that not unique?
Yeah.
It came with the Gregorian calendar. January, this all happens. And our people also know that January, this all happens just by studying the weather. So even though our people may not be schooled in a formal education, they still have wisdom. And I can tell you that there are some proverbs, wise sayings that they say, which you can even see in the Bible. So we have to give respect to our elders for showing us the way. Yeah, so I will hand it over to Dr. Wanyo so that he can take us through some commercials.
Operator.
Hello, on behalf of CEANA, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to CEANA 2026 convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that CEANA 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, CEANA has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eweland. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that CEANA is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build CEANA 2026. Join us to make history. CEANA 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.CEANA2026.org for more information. See you there.
CEANA 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
CEANA 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Miawezo. Akbar. Doctor, Akbar. We love Kucherashi. Emia tutu. Yeah, Akbar kaka. Abaleka. Mia fogle kwenyama. Mai mia togyo ho obunu katangbo. Okweba do yala kakla yimwa your way. Miche koba mia pa Ghana duko podo kwishi nono. Okwe dara kwa jinua ton le amayema. Kwa jinua ton ya inya taduhi. Yeah. Amayima ye Ghana duko duna dukwishi oho paza. Taiha gbonalo yenye 6 match. Alaba azama ha langonami. Nya pa Ghana ikamye chuo oba pa blood pa nanima rumula. Blood yeah, I think either 69 or 39. Ima duala ta Independence Day ike iha gbona 6 March. Mielo review mo na mi zozon le wu teacher na ko me fina mi gaga. Obo mo zwenyu. Taya garoji oduduga kwashira vo tompe makotora miango. Ha mi ajraro taduhia ma odugala. Tana rom kujiba Ghana's Independence Day is 6 March. Ala taduhe fankaka adaliagba. Ye Ghana horokwishi nono. Tamye nyana bo na azon. Nujalo ashimanyonu dogbareta azon. Ka. Odogbana niya flaga, the Ghana flaga, unyakbona, numokata ogala moji bona. Ta, efeama, anuga vivima legbegbeja. Makwebe bronya ha Ghana robi ntomanya nyavio. Ta oga bonya ganyicho, pajinu tonlia, ikenya tadohe kwa nkakadagbe. Afi miagavadu miapataza yenye miato enye CEANA. Miapataza enye CEANA ta miajaro na hana mangulunko na do para la show aba business ni mo na miewu magazine na DM baja onkona no na dogbe na Washington DMV CEANA bo yaha lemia doma na liana kotre mia promoto do tamicho mia pa do ho ve mia ko tatak barang no matatak barang na mia do bublunami na anwala pa alo la fia na mianya mia azãkoɖu le mia ŋutɔ miadzre miade dukɔ ɖo, miatu miade ɖo, mia viwo le afi ma fu kpem, amewo sukuxɔ gbalẽwo dzi, nyɔnu funu li teƒe woadzi vi ɖo me wɔwɔm o, ta Siana dzɔ bɔnu edzrana nu yiwo ɖo ta ne mieva Siana menye atsɔ amewo kpɔnɛ va atsɔ ko mieva ɖona gbɔna, menye neneme o, ganye miaƒoƒu nu vi aɖe miatu miade dukɔ ɖo yiƒe nu wònye, ta ne wo hã wòwɔna no wɔ me, ɖevi aɖe magable ɖe tsɔme o hana be o míade tɔwo yiwo no gbedziawo woe tu mi ɖoa yiƒe nue, ta eye míeƒe dzinuwo xlẽm kɔ, míexlẽm ɖe nu sia nu, dzove, dzodze, tedoxe, afɔfie, dame, masa, fiamlɔm, ɖe asiami me, anyɔnyɔ, kele, ŋka hã gale afi ma.
Ade amakpɔ xedo.
Adamekpɔ xe dzome kple nuka xɔve. Aha. Dzove, dzodze, tedoxe, afɔfie,
dame, masa,
fiamlɔm, ɖe
asiami me, anyɔnyɔ, kele.
Adamekpɔ xe dzome xɔve. Ta mesiame nadzra.
Makpekpe be afɔfia ɖe menye ɖe wodzi be agblɔ be anyigba nɔ afɔ me na me ye wodzi be agblɔ le fi ma hã. Anyigba nɔ afɔ me na. Okay. Okay.
Emaye míenɔ ɖevi ma ne yina sukua na ƒudu medɔ fɔkpa na ve tsitre ɖe gbedzi vie. Alo ne dɔ afɔkpa menye gbagbetɔ ƒlena mi o. Afɔkpa tɔ na va nɔ mem na dia le rasi. Ya, miame yiwo tɔ ke mɔmɔ fi yi aƒe ma, nuwo tu mi ɖe.
Okay.
Yeah. Ta atutu vi aɖe ne Francia o, hafi miagayi dzia.
Ok. Chers auditeurs, ce que nous disons est que nos aïeux ont su analyser la nature et ils ont créé les mots appropriés pour choisir les périodes pendant l'année. Ils ont su qu'il y a une période, il fait tellement chaud et que c'est difficile même de rester dehors. Ils ont trouvé un mot pour ça. Il y a des périodes, il pleut beaucoup. Ils ont trouvé un mot pour ça. Il y a des périodes ils font beaucoup de récoltes. Ils ont trouvé le mot approprié pour ça. Il y a des périodes il pleut un peu et puis il y a un peu de soleil et puis après c'est un peu de pluie. Donc avec ça, ils ont donné Siamlom, comme quelqu'un avait expliqué ça en anglais. Quand ils font des récoltes, par exemple, le maïs, après avoir fait la récolte, ils doivent étaler ça dehors pour que le soleil aide le maïs à bien sécher le maïs. Mais pendant la période de Siamlom, là, ils étalent leur récolte et peut-être 30 minutes après avoir étalé ou 45 minutes, il commence par pleuvoir et tout le monde doit sortir de leur chambre pour pouvoir ramasser rapidement et amener dans leur chambre. Et puis après, quelques minutes après, le soleil est sorti encore et ils vont faire sortir leur récolte. Donc, comme notre frère venait de le dire, que il faut que nous sachions que nos aïeux sont très intelligents et ils ont su analyser la nature et ils ont trouvé que dans l'année, il y a 13 périodes qui se répètent chaque année. Donc, c'est ce qui fait que nous, en Ewe, on a 13 mois. On a 13 mois selon leurs analyses. Il y a des périodes que ceux-là qui sont proches des rivières, de la mer, et ils font des récoltes, beaucoup de récoltes. Quand ils vont pêcher, ils pêchent beaucoup de poissons. Et cette période-là aussi, ils ont donné un nom à ça. Et ils ont su étudier les nuages. Quand il va pleuvoir aussi, ils le savent, ils savent comment dire ça. Donc, on remercie nos grands-parents qui ont pu identifier les 13 mois pour nous. Encore une fois, merci pour votre participation. Merci beaucoup et à plus. Après. Donc, à magasin, en janvier, février, mars, je te donne à Fofier, Dame, Massa, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin. Je veux Jojo, te donne à Fofier. On a dit que je veux, il pense qu'il fait trop chaud en ce moment. Donc, c'est comme si vous marchez et puis vous sentez une forte chaleur. C'est comme si quelque chose est en train de brûler et vous passez à côté. Donc, ils ont dit que c'est Jové. C'est chaud. Jojo. Et à Jojo, pendant ces périodes-là, les arbres ont séché, les forêts, tout ça là, et puis un petit étincelle comme ça, vous allez voir qu'il y a le feu de brousse. Et pendant ce temps-là, il y a beaucoup de feux de brousse. Je veux tes dorés disent que pendant ce temps, ils commencent par préparer le terrain pour planter les ignames. Je crois qu'ils devaient planter aussi manioc, tout ce que les tubercules. Donc, ça se plante pendant tes 2 heures. Et then, à Fofier, on a dit à Fofier, il fait toujours chaud les 4 mois, là, janvier, février, mars, avril, il fait toujours chaud. Donc, à Fofier, quand tu marches sans chaussures, tu vas sentir que les sables ou le trottoir est très chaud. Donc, c'est comme ça ils ont donné le nom des mois durant l'année. Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Moi, merci, non. Akpe, miawe wodo. Que, attends, Cyrus, no, we have my dinner, be a shinya.
So what I want to say is that our mother made us to understand that beside traditional celebrations or festivals that we have in every land in August, September, October, which is Dacia Mime, Enyo, and Kele, we also have Independence Day coming up. Like Ghana's Independence Day is going to be next month, which is Tedohe. And just like Ghana has Independence Day, Togo has its Independence Day, Benin has its Independence Day, Nigeria has its Independence Day in October.
Yeah.
But right now it's Ghana's time. So that's what she was trying to explain.
Yes.
That it's coming up, and we need to observe. Yeah, so you can ask a question.
Yeah, Togo's independence is in August, right? Or July?
Togo, we have two. One is January 13, and the other one is in July 27 or something like that.
Usually Ghana have the same. One is Independence Day and one is Republic Day. Like
Oh, okay.
America. Yeah,
Okay.
they all have two. And
Okay.
and that of Benin and then Nigeria, etc. Okay.
Okay.
My question. Nya bia akayenya tedoya. Dr. Onyo da
Okay, so our
Terranwaji
mother is
Alaba.
asking, when do we plant?
Tamime no pong eh.
When do we plant? Which month? Because we know. So if you know it, you write it.
Okay.
In the comment section.
Nous voulons savoir quand est-ce qu'on plante les tubercules qu'on appelle tedoche. Hello, tedoi.
Tedoi. Okay. So that is in March, right? In English.
Yeah, tedoi.
So tedo. Yeah, amare dong yalo. Ini makunya. Mare tedo.
Okay.
Yenye tedo ya. Almaya uka tedo. Ina uchung kona March. Ay kanya tedo iba tedo kai. Okay. Apprende Naami katam. Ye jagwa bantom ye gawe. Na biabiara le amare shi obe abia mia ne ngure gbasa mana mi mi ekpogam. Ne mi ga gbagba jembe mi ahu mi aponu sosronu ta ne devio. Ya even no mi adegba. Reach out to us. Alaba, we are going to open the class very soon. And never be. Yes, from Eʋegbe. Dr. Onyo Marco Aklomia Demoko Mia Kwesa Rafia. Mashia Magbanto.
Yo, Apprende Ewe miawe do. Yeda Apprende mi apenu pola o kata kulenya sala o. Da miawe do ka da Vero. Da Enyo Cyrus. Apprende mi.
Apenoha.
Alabe mi apenu pola o. Mado do miang ike enye Obe David Doreen ametowo yona nkruma ele miadoma ple efo Adolf akpaglo Obe Dr. Dogbe alafia ta Apprende mi ta mie nkoge miaweva odo makareji be amonye ale ocho nkone English jinwo hoho be January ane pletomo tayema atani Cyrus ple mama Vero ple danyo globe Eʋegbe nko chochowa enye susu ndo alabobu tamacho nwafi ne susu ene nko yao menye bere ko choko alabe abe English na January opa vodua de oyona be Janusa ife nko ko na January ta nko enye January ta yo ape ke yema mereku ke ele miagbo miafe njipolao enya bubare kugala miashia
Akpe. Yeah. Akpe na mashama. Daniel, I summarize it me at the grammar.
Madapena moi.
Hey,
Chers auditeurs, merci encore une fois. Merci beaucoup pour le temps que vous avez passé avec nous. Nous avons repris notre activité et nous vous invitons à nous soutenir chaque fois, tous les samedis, pour que nous puissions étudier notre langue et faire vivre notre langue. Comme vous venez de le savoir, on a étudié aujourd'hui les mois et nous avions dit que nos aïeux ont bien pensé, ils ont étudié, analysé la nature avant de donner ces noms au mois de l'année. Donc, nous vous encourageons de participer chaque fois pour qu'ensemble, nous donnons la valeur à notre langue. Ewe. Merci beaucoup et merci encore une fois, merci. Bonne soirée à vous.
Akpe.
Akpe.
Atoni, atutubiara na agudawa. Atutubiara na
Nyako
yawawa.
agbato habasa fia hasba reideta.
Englishman, grandmother.
So a big shout out to all our listeners for coming out
Thank you.
today to be part of the show. I hope you learned something. The month of the year in Ewe and how it's based on the activities that take place and not necessarily just naming it as the English people do. They just name it after their gods. But our ancestors thought of the seasons and that reflects in the names that were given to the months. So it's very thoughtful. Thank you for learning something with us.
Thank you. Yo miega vavaga akpana mi miapan polo nyasalo turulo chukama godo. I'm a shame kamianko sama miega vavaga.
Auntie Vero, you're muted.
No, I didn't mute myself. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not. Alaba mia biadaga apa jinu banto lava mainyaka yenya juva pa jinu momleto lava mainyaka yenya poava apa jinwa manani la pama mama wieto bia moto biaga miala na miega dogo ta siragba na miega dogo mia padam na mashama mia wina ba mia pankaka adablibo akpanamilo Honorable akpe bana lanwo godo nami etutumi ha mi akpe sarafia mi la show
Kawo anu be ya oro agara la pamana so
Hello! On behalf of CEANA, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to CEANA 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that CEANA 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, CEANA has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Ewe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that CEANA is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build CEANA 2026. Join us to make history. CEANA 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.CEANA2026.org for more information. See you there.
CEANA 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
CEANA 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Ao mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo Ao jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo Ao mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya nya nya, dala ya Srɔ Eʋegbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba,